Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Garmin Dash Cam is probably one of the most essential gadgets for modern drivers. It seamlessly combines GPS navigation with a built-in dash cam, offering real-time traffic updates, lane departure warnings, and incident recording capabilities. This all-in-one device not only guides you to your destination but also acts as your personal eyewitness on the road, providing crucial evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. This dash cam records videos in stunning 4K resolution. You'll notice a significant improvement in clarity compared to other dash cams. The night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light. With built-in Wi-Fi 6, you can easily manage recordings using the ROVE app on your smartphone. Download videos directly to your phone at high speeds and share them with friends and family on social media. The built-in GPS accurately records your driving location and speed. You can review your route and track your journey on Google Maps using the app or the GPS player. Firmware updates are provided for convenience. This dash cam includes a supercapacitor, a wide-angle lens, and features like parking mode and motion detection. It also supports loop cycle recording and emergency video lock. The device is designed to provide comprehensive protection. This dash camera comes with a full 1-year warranty. The company offers customer support via text or email to quickly address any questions or issues. They are dedicated to customer satisfaction. What we like. This dash cam offers stunning 4K Ultra HD recording, ensuring every detail is captured with exceptional clarity. It also features built-in Wi-Fi 6 for incredibly fast file transfers. If you are looking for a dash cam that provides both superior video quality and easy sharing capabilities, you should consider this. What people say. The setup is simple. There are tons of quick short videos to help guide you on how you might want to tuck away the wiring. I also tried the app. It lets you download your footage in real time by connecting to the dashcam's built-in Wi-Fi. Number 4. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. This dash cam offers stunning detail with its 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera. The large display provides a wider view, significantly reducing blind spots. This feature enhances your safety on the road. The built-in GPS antenna displays real-time data directly on the dash cam. You can connect to your phone via Wi-Fi using the WOLFBOX app. This allows you to view, playback, and share videos easily. The camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, minimizing blind spots. The split-screen function lets you monitor both views at once. The curved screen design blends seamlessly with your car's interior. The G840S has an upgraded low-reflectivity LCD for clear daytime viewing. With WDR and HDR technology, it balances lighting. The professional-grade sensor and 6-glass lens ensure excellent image quality, even at night. Besides on-the-road safety, this camera also offers a 24-hour parking monitor. Time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to save power and storage. A hardware kit is needed for this parking monitoring feature. What we like. With its expansive 12-mirror display and 4K UHD clarity, this dash cam significantly reduces blind spots. It also includes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking for convenient data access. If you like a dash cam that integrates seamlessly into your vehicle while enhancing safety and providing a wide view, you should consider this. What people say. The WOLFBOX was easy to install. Video is of exceptional quality on the front cam and good quality on the rear cam because it is looking through glass. I installed this on a 2021 Cherokee. The wire to the camera snugged in at the top of the windshield by the headliner, and mostly fit on the right side of the windshield. Under the dash with black Gorilla Tape and to the ignition on 12V outlet, and I was good to go. It is really hard to tell from outside the vehicle that I have this in place. I didn't consider the GPS feature something I needed long term, but I did try it out. And it seemed accurate in terms of speed and direction. The resolution during daylight is outstanding and sharp. At night it is still quite good, but like most cameras, there is much glare from headlights. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. This dash cam features a top-quality 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera. It captures incredibly detailed images, ensuring you don't miss any important details on the road. The wide-angle lens provides extended views and reduces blind spots. The built-in GPS precisely pinpoints the vehicle's location, routes, and speed. You can easily connect to your mobile devices via Wi-Fi to transfer data, change settings, and share videos. It makes everything simple and convenient. Equipped with a high-spec StarVis sensor, this camera significantly improves light sensitivity. Combined with a large aperture and WDR and HDR technology, it captures clear images even in low-light environments. You can trust it to record clearly at night. When a collision is detected, the built-in G-sensor records and locks the video footage. The camera also monitors the surrounding environment under time-lapse mode, ensuring your vehicle's safety. A dedicated hardware kit is needed for this feature. The product comes with an 18-month guarantee. If you have any problems, our 24/7 technical support is always ready to help. We are here to assist you anytime. What we like. This dash cam offers dual 4K plus 1080p recording, capturing both front and rear views in high definition. It also has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for easy connectivity and data sharing. If you are a driver who values comprehensive coverage and easy access to recorded footage, you should consider this. What people say. REDTIGER dashcam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Installation was ridiculously simple, and that part startled me because I am not usually adept at this type of thing. Except for the 2 to 3 inches of wires by camera, the wiring is totally invisible. The camera came with all that you need to get it going, except the memory card, clear instructions, and a QR codes that you could use for how-to videos. It comes with front cam, back cam, and after I bought it I was contacted by the customer service team to receive, free of charge, the dedicated HW kit needed for 24H parking monitor and time-lapse functions. The front camera has a wide angle and the screen is nice and clear. No complicated menus on the screen, easy to set and forget. The back camera you can install inside the car, or if you have extra time you can install it outside the car for better image quality. Number 2. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. This is the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam. It records in stunning 4K UHD at 30 frames per second, or 2.5K at 60 frames per second. This dash cam is packed with features for your car in 2023. Connect your smartphone using the latest dual-band 5G Wi-Fi. With the ROVE Dash Cam app, you can easily view, download, and share videos. You can also adjust the settings of the camera within the app. The R2-4K Pro has built-in GPS. It records your speed and location directly onto the video. This provides additional evidence for your driving. This dash cam includes a supercapacitor, voice guidance, and a Sony IMX335 sensor. It also features a wide-angle lens, emergency video lock, and supports up to 512 GB of storage. The R2-4K Pro offers a 24-hour parking mode with 3 options. It can record time-lapse videos, and detect motion and collisions. If an event occurs, it will record a video and alert you. This dash cam is backed by a 1-year warranty. The customer care team is based in Chicago, ensuring quick and efficient assistance. They are ready to help with any issues you may have. What we like. Featuring advanced 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, this dash cam allows for incredibly fast file transfers and easy sharing. It also offers a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with voice guidance. If you are looking for a dash cam with advanced features and enhanced parking surveillance, you should consider this. What people say. The setup was incredibly straightforward. I had it mounted and running in less than 15 minutes. Once installed, this dash cam is practically maintenance-free. The video quality is crystal clear. Number 1. Garmin DriveCam 76, 7 GPS Navigator with dash cam. This device features a large, easy-to-read 7-inch display. It also includes a built-in dash cam to record your journeys. Please be aware of local regulations regarding camera use. The built-in dash cam acts as your eyewitness on the road. It automatically detects incidents and saves video clips. You can easily view and share these clips through the Garmin Drive app. Stay connected with hands-free calling via Bluetooth. The convenient Garmin Voice Assist lets you easily ask for directions to your destinations. It makes driving safer and more convenient. The device provides forward collision and lane departure warnings to encourage safer driving. It also alerts you to school zones, sharp curves, and speed changes, increasing driver awareness. It comes with road trip-ready features, including a U.S. National Parks directory and TripAdvisor traveler ratings. You also have access to millions of Foursquare poise. Access live traffic, fuel prices, weather, and smart notifications. Built-in Wi-Fi allows for easy map and software updates without needing a computer. This ensures that it is always up to date. What we like. This dash cam integrates seamlessly with a 7 display and the Garmin ecosystem, providing a comprehensive navigation and recording solution. It also offers automatic incident detection and easy video sharing. If you are looking for a dash cam that combines navigation with recording capabilities, you should consider this. What people say. The new Garmin models have a much more responsive touchscreen just like cell phones. The processor in there is a lot faster to recalculate if you're doing a detour, and without the annoying voice telling you about it. It also supports extra NAV systems besides GPS, which seems to help it be even more accurate, with 10 feet is usually what I got. The voice navigation is amazing. It was so cumbersome to type in addresses on the old one, but with the nice touchscreen, that's a breeze. But what I really loved was being able to say, "Okay Garmin, go to Walgreens or something," and then pick which one I wanted to go to from the list. I don't know how thorough the database of locations is, but on my recent 3,500-mile road trip, I rarely asked it for something it couldn't look up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.